Hey everybody, welcome to our channel, Kona Pro. This is a quick subfloor construction tip I'm going to shoot out real quick. So this is a bathroom, and you can see we got the old school 1x6 subflooring. So we're going to be replacing it with 1x6 Douglas fir heat treated 1x6. We're going to hit it with some subfloor glue, and we're going to shoot it down with some ring shank nails, 2-inch galvanized. But you can see all that white framing is the new framing we put in. Now, the plumber put in this framing here. If I had my way about it, I would have had him just continue the joist from here over here, and then each side, and then put some backing right there, and then throw backing in the back. But since they already ran their framing like this, we just ran off their framing, and everything's really strong and secure. This is going to be the toilet area. Then we have, that's where the new tub location is going to go, right there. So we threw in a sheet of plywood there because that's going to get removed. Then they're going to cut out their area for their P-trap and their drainage, and then that's going to stay open even when the tub gets set there. So we just threw a couple screws in that so they can pull that up and they can do their thing. Now right here, we ran our backing below the existing 1x6, and the reason why we didn't cut all that 1x6 out, because then there'd be a big gap below the existing bottom plate on that wall. So we left the 1x6, and then we're going to run our new 1x6 with the 45-degree cut right into that edge, into that edge, into that edge. We're going to put glue on our framing. We're going to put glue there and lock everything in. All right, so let's see how we do it. Ring shank, see that?
right, hope you've been watching the video and you're enjoying. If so, remember to hit that thumbs up for us. It would really help us out. So if you see that vent pipe right there, you're probably wondering what we're gonna do there. So we don't really have that much room in this subfloor. So that's about as much room as we're going to be able to have to install our subflooring. So we're just going to basically install our wooden subflooring right on top of that vent pipe. And then what we're going to do is install a safety plate. We don't show it in this video, but we install a safety plate screwed into the subflooring with 1/2-inch screws right on top of that ABS pipe. That way when we install our hardy backer board, none of the screws from the hardy backer board install will go into that pipe. Then when we install our tile, everything's locked in and everything's safe. All right, remember, hit that like button if you like this video and subscribe if you want to. All right, appreciate you all. You can do this if you have to. Just put your mind to it and watch our videos.